Today we're making turkey tail mushroom tincture in our home apothecary. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Hey, be sure you're subscribed because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks. As with any wild mushroom identification, please be sure you're certain of the identification and before consuming, speak with your doctor or healthcare professional. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. I went out on a walk the other day and I got turkey tail mushroom. And there's some easy ways to tell it's turkey tail. First of all, you can see why it got its name. There's a clear resemblance to the gradient on a turkey's tail. First of all, the color gradient. And on the back, it's completely solid one color. It doesn't have great big pores or striations. This one, they've all been washed, so it looks a little funky now. But I showed it in my video the other day. So I'm going to make a tincture of this. Let me whip this around so you can actually see what I'm doing. I'm going to break this up and put it in my half-pint jar. So I'm just pulling these apart. Hard to show you with one hand. I want surface area. So let me go ahead and get this all in there. So the top of this feels like velvet. And the back is just tiny. There's no big pores. There's no striations. There's one solid cream color. The front of it really resembles a turkey's tail. All right, and I have my 80 to 100 proof vodka. This is a rustic tincture, so I'm not measuring, and this is just for me, for home use, for my family, my health. And I'm covering it with vodka. I'm going to put a lid on it. It's going to sit for 4 to 6 weeks, and it's going to make a tincture. When it's done, I will strain it. I'll put it in a medicine dropper bottle. It'll only go by dropperfuls. It'll be something that I use by dropperfuls. I may make a mixed mushroom tincture. Turkey tail is not an edible mushroom, but it is a medicinal mushroom. It's too tough to eat. You wouldn't want to eat it, but it is used for medicinal. I have consumed it in other products, so I know that I'm not allergic to it. And I'm very excited to add it to my home apothecary. And I'm hoping to go out and get some more now that I have found it. I have verified my identification. I'm excited. So there you have it. One more mushroom tincture in our apothecary series. And it's something that you can harvest in the fall. So I'm excited about foraging in the fall and finding things that are either edible or medicinal and making tinctures and making food. So there you have it. And this peanut butter lid fits on my jar. There we go. So that when I shake it, I'm not picking up anything metallic. So a little tip for that, you can use a peanut butter lid for your tincture. Check out these other videos in our apothecary series. As always, be sure to hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed because YouTube sometimes takes that away. And if you like the video and want more content like this, hit the like button. Thanks, Rebel Canners.